Yeah.
09. Got you. Benjamin Green. Yes, sir. Thank you. 108. 108. 108. Jack.
Giant. I think I got it.
That's great.
Par for the course. Right at the end. Right at the end. Dang. Nice catch.
I've been practicing just all.
Hey,
there it is.
How'd you do today?
4 fish, 17 pounds.
Good job. Get 5 tomorrow.
That's right. Maybe it's a 5 fish limit? I thought it was only 4 fish limit.
Oh boy. See you, buddy.
Benjamin Green, 2 bass, fishing out of 400, Jasper, Tennessee. 5 pounds and 12 ounces, 512. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Just want to say thank you very much, Dathan. Had 512, almost a 3-pound average for those 2 fish. So
Oh, that's awesome.
yeah, thank you.
Caught our first keeper, baby.
So far away.
Take your time.
No. We've got it in there.
I'm here. Good job, dude.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, dude. I'm gonna try to catch one if that's okay. They came running, huh?
I looked over and they put their trolling motors on high. They were here. They weren't even. They were way over there like that.
That's crazy. Got Jake from State Farm. G-Juice. Jake, why do you trust G-Juice for your fish?
It keeps them alive. It's good stuff.
Jake from State Farm over there backseating me. Look at him. Look at him. He's just holding that whole area to himself. He's over here tunning on him.
No, look at all this water.
Good job. You know, I tried to cast up there and he cut my line. No drag, dude. I got a fish and I got no drag. I got no drag. Oh my gosh.
A big one?
Dude, yeah, it's a big one. It's a big one. Get him, get him, get him. Yeah. Dude, that's hilarious.
You're welcome.
How hilarious is that?
You're welcome.
Hey, Jake from State Farm, can you lower my deductible? Jake, I keep throwing on your spots because I don't want you to catch any more fish.
How's that my fault?
119.
Thank you.
2 bags, please. Yo, Jake, good job. Buzzbait fish there. Lime and purple Ned rig, I think that's the big one. Definitely the Mighty Bite. Nice bag, buddy.
All right. 1505, baby. One of my friends that's rooming with me. 14 yesterday, 23 pounds today.
Nice. What's his name?
Dictate. Nick, what they weigh?
43.1. There's a bunch of one fish deals.
1 5.5 pounder.
Hey, if you're gonna catch one, that's the right kind of catch.
Out of her spot.
All right, bud.
Richard Green, co-lane on Guntersville, Tennessee, 512 on that one. That's one more today.
Thank you, Mark.
Yes, sir. Thank you, bud. One today, going away 211, got you to 8-7, Ben.
Thank you.
Thank you. Always a pleasure.
Thank you very much for a great day out there on the water, buddy.
Yeah, man, I enjoyed it. We had a good time. Good times.
Next one's Dale Hollow.
Yeah, buddy. We're going to go up there and try to do better than we did here.
Did you get him? Nice, dude. What do you think you got?
Close to 15.
Kevin Sigalito, thank you for all of your help, buddy. Thanks for holding down the fort.
Absolutely, Kevin. You were awesome. Could not have done it without you.
This is only the second time that I fished a tournament where my brother was in the tournament. The first one was the 2017 US Open on Lake Mead.
Lake Guntersville. Put it on your bucket list. Make sure you come down here and check it out. You'll be happy that you did. We'll see you at the next one.
All right, we just want to thank all the customers and friends of Ben Green Insurance Agency. You make us feel like we're rock stars out here. Well, that concludes the 2022 Major League Fishing Guntersville event. Brian, thanks for being here.
Everybody.
Looking for more great videos? Check out Fish Out Loud. Seig Taylor, he put a video together, and also Brian's video is Chasing Little Green Fish. All the links are below in the comments. There's no part-time to this lifestyle.
No.